Welcome to the program. Hello. First, let me welcome you to the program. I'm delighted you invested in this, as I've seen the results that women just like you get when they apply the principles inside, and quite frankly, they're astonishing. Perhaps the most surprising thing, though, isn't the results themselves, but the way in which they're achieved. I'm sure you'll be familiar with plenty of fad diets and gimmicks, and may have even tried a few in the past, whether that's been low-carb dieting, Atkins, a fat-free diet, the baby food diet, cabbage soup, slashing your calories right down, or just relying on pills, powders, and potions to see you through, rather than real food. The thing about these diets, while you'd imagine they'd get results, seeing as for most of them, you're surviving on very little and making your eating plan extreme, is that they don't work. At least they don't work long-term, as you always put the weight back on once you've finished the diet. Plus, any weight that you lose is never pure body fat. You lose a lot of lean muscle too, and they can often have sickening side effects. That's where this course comes in. I know that eating and training to get a lean, sexy, slender physique is actually very straightforward. Through principles that are backed by science and evidence, this course will show you how you can get your dream body without using any of the drastic measures that are so often associated with weight loss. Whether you just want to lose a few pounds for a vacation, or you want to blast body fat and look like a cover model, or maybe even your favorite female athlete, this book is for you. It's divided up into several sections. Mythbusters. Well, we'll go through why many of the most common fat loss approaches just don't work, to help prevent you falling victim to them. The foundations of sensible dieting and training. Well, we'll look into the science behind losing weight and keeping it off. I know sensible and science aren't often words that are used to describe fat loss methods, but trust me, once you've nailed these, you'll see how easy dropping weight and getting an amazing body is. A comprehensive dieting section, in which we'll run through the fundamentals of fat loss nutrition, from the importance of calories right up to when you eat your meals for best results, and everything in between. Next, we'll touch on training, including the best types of cardio to do, why lifting weights is so crucial if you want the fastest results, and give you sample plans that you can follow to get going right away. Finally, we'll wrap everything up, recap what we've gone over, and discuss an action plan for you moving forward. I hope that by downloading it, you see how fast, fun, and stress-free losing fat can be, and never fall prey to another nutritional scam, fad diet, or overpriced workout DVD ever again. This really is the only female fat loss course you'll ever need, so strap yourself in for the ride and let's get going.